How's it going, guys? I just got off work and I am currently on my way to the US because I am picking up a package. Evidently they do not ship to Canada, so I gotta go across the border real quick and pick it up. So I will see you guys once I get home, and we're gonna do an unboxing today. Alright guys, I'm back home now, and I'm going to get started unboxing. Unfortunately, because I was crossing the border, I did have to open it up at the border, so I already kind of cheated a bit and had a look inside, but I have not taken anything out yet, so I don't know 100% what's all in there. So let's get started on this and see what we got. So for starters, we got a bunch of stickers here, so obviously you know what I got. So I hit up DownStar on Black Friday. They had some crazy deals going on, so I ordered a bunch of hardware for Frankenstein. So it's all in this envelope right here. So I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out and showing you guys what I got. I'm super stoked about it, so let's get started. Alright, so first thing we got here is... this is a grill dress-up hardware kit, so this replaces the factory clips that hold your grill in place. Basically, you slip these rubber pieces into the existing holes, and then you use the hardware to tighten it down, and then it expands inside, and then it holds your grill in place. And it also came with the dress-up washers as well. So I kind of went with a black and gold zinc theme. So all the hardware is going to be gold zinc, and the dress-up washers are going to be black. So I think it's going to look really nice. So that's the first thing. This is the upper control arm and strut hardware combo. So this will replace the upper control arm bolts as well as the strut nuts, and then it also comes with dress-up washers as well. So again, it's gold zinc and black washers. Oh, this is a big one, guys. So this is the Bolt Boys complete transmission hardware kit. So this will replace all the bolts on the transmission. So this is bell housing to the engine block, and this is the transmission case itself. So same theme again. Oh, and this is the starter bolts, I believe. So that's gonna look really nice. All right, so next thing we got, oh hello, is the H series billet valve cover hardware. So this is gonna replace the valve cover hardware. Again, the same theme. Just checking things out or what? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What do you think?
It looks cool.
Yeah?
If never could get a tail out of my face.
Yeah. And here we got cam gear hardware, so that'll replace both of the cam gear bolts. That actually looks really nice. Okay, you're just all up in everything, Cat. Let's just get out of here. Just stay there. Just sit. Stay there.
Can she doesn't listen?
No, she does not listen. Oh, we got another big one. Oh, yes. This is the Bolt Boys Honda engine dress-up hardware kit. So this is for the H series, and this is basically going to replace every single bolt on the H series. So that is going to look so good. That black and gold looks so good together. Oh, I'm super excited about that.
It looks pretty decent.
Yep, that's gonna look really nice. I'm excited. It's gonna be a while before I can get this stuff installed, but man, this is something I've been wanting for a very long time. And when I saw the Black Friday deals, I just had to jump on it. And I believe that is everything. So that is all the hardware that I got. Pretty excited about it. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. It's just a bit of a short video unboxing for you guys to let you know kind of what I've been up to. And yeah, I'm super stoked about this. It's gonna clean up the engine bay quite a bit. And the color theme that I'm going with is gonna be the bay itself on Frankenstein is gonna be gold. And then I'm planning on doing the block and the trans in either a gloss black or a satin black. The valve cover is going to be gold as well, so I think this hardware is really going to stand out and it's going to look really good under the hood. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely drop me a comment below. Just give me any feedback you got for me. If you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.